NaijaFoodTube.
Hello people, welcome to NaijaFoodTube. I'm Kenny. Today, I'll be sharing with you how I prepare my porridge beans and dodo. I'll be using brown beans, crayfish, scotch bonnet, onions, ripe plantain, salt, seasoning cube, palm oil, vegetable oil. To start cooking, I'll pour some water into the beans and wash. I'll pour the beans into the boiling water. I'll add onion, I'll cover and allow cook until it's almost dry. I'll add some water in order to allow the beans cook until it's soft. Yeah, beans takes long to cook, so you have to keep adding water. I'll blend the scotch bonnet and set aside. I'll add salt, I'll add seasoning cube, I'll add crayfish, I'll add palm oil, I'll add the blended scotch bonnet, I'll cover and allow cook until it becomes thick. As you can see, my porridge beans is thick already. I'll set aside. It's time to fry the dodo. That's the plantain. I'll peel and slice the plantain. You can choose to cut your plantain whichever way works best for you. I'll add salt and mix well. I'll pour some vegetable oil into the frying pan and heat up the vegetable oil a bit. I'll start placing the plantain into the oil until it turns golden brown. I'll drain the excess oil and put in a bowl. My dodo is ready. It's time to enjoy my porridge bean and dodo. I hope you try this at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.
NaijaFoodTube.